best to pick up the phone to buy the truck today. 954-937-8271. It's got super good pickup on this truck. Like I said, it's been deleted. EGR delete, custom exhaust, custom rims. Super cool truck, guys. Shipping available most of the states, 400 to 500. It's best to pick up the phone and call 954-937-8271. My name is Alex. The drip you see in dripping, that's the air conditioning. Ice cold AC works. Tranny shifts good throughout all the gears. It's best to pick up the phone and call to buy it now. 954-937-8271. Visit bigboydiesels.com. bigboydiesels.com for more trucks for sale. Thank you for looking. Call right now. Beautiful Ford f250. Standard cab. Ice cold air conditioning. Nice radio with backup camera. Truck's been bulletproof. It's got the EGR delete. It's got the custom exhaust. It runs good with a lot of power. EGR's been deleted. No EGR. Cancer's been taken out. It's got nice rims. Tires are like brand new. Lifted probably about 7 inches. Rust-free truck. Best to pick up the phone and call to buy this truck today. 954.
Giving love, education, and first-class health care. We're located at 20334 Northwest 2nd Avenue, Miami Gardens, and the Westside Plaza. Our phone number is 305-654-9100. That's 305-654-9100. So if you, a friend, or a loved one had an accident or injury, call us immediately for proper care and documentation. Delay of treatment can cause future problems of pain, arthritis, and degeneration. Walk-ins are always accepted and